PO3. There you go. Act 4? Don't you fucking dare. There's no Act 4, bro. Shut up. There's no Act 4. What do you mean halfway there you got this fed? There's no Act 4. What do you mean? There's an Act fucking 4. Ah! Sorry.
I feel like I've heard that name before.
That was my cat. Wonderful.
Get
now
your
that we are
cat
no
to read
longer
the
separated
credits.
by that lovely tombstone, we may celebrate the end of my very long life. And the end of Inscryption too.
Because he was very much alive like 5 minutes ago.
Okay, yeah, let's play chess. Oh, the fun we would have had together. Perhaps I would have had another turn if you hadn't taken so long to defeat Leshy. Bro, Leshy got smoked. Like, I don't want to hear it. But I should not complain.
When do I get my turn?
I will be at peace soon. Guys, there's three
Are you
acts
about
is the
to
norm,
die?
you know? Tutorial over, don't even. He beats don't even. Right, what is going on here?